Okay, good morning, students. This is Monday, April 6th. And before I get started with the assignment, I just want to let you know Mrs. Meacham sent me an email telling me that she sent every fifth grader an email about choosing an elective, either band or art. You need to reply to that email as soon as possible. If you did not receive that email, then you need to call junior high and talk to Miss Meacham, and let's get you scheduled for either band or art next year. Now, as far as today is concerned, we're going to review volume. Remember, volume is how much space an object takes up. Length times width times height. So let's go ahead and get into our classroom. Vi for volume victory. You can see that I have it scheduled to be posted at 7 o'clock in the morning. So if you're trying to get on Sunday night, you're not going to be able to do it. You're going to have to wait till tomorrow. Now, you folks who are doing this on an iPad or a phone, you pretty much already have a little icon, that little pencil icon that you can click on, and you can start writing on this right now. If this is too small for you, you can see the little plus sign down here where you can zoom in and you can write on it. And then just go ahead and turn it in from here. You folks who don't have that option, if you don't have a pencil or a pen icon, then you need to open it in Kami. Once you open it in Kami, you have the same option too. You can either zoom out or zoom in. I suggest you zoom in. That way you've got plenty of room to do some work if you need to work something out. Take a look at this third picture right here. I can see that my width is going to be 2. My length is going to be 4. And my height, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is going to be 5. Length times width times height. 5 times 4 is 20, times 2 is 40. But 40 is not going to be my answer. That doesn't look much like a 4. I sure don't want to accidentally try to do 90. I can see that there's 4 of them that is missing from this picture. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract those 4. So now I know the volume of this picture is going to be 36. Now, I don't know what the rank is. I'm not going to know the rank until I have a volume for every single picture. So that's what you need to do first, is find the volume for every single picture. Once you have the volume for every single picture, go up here to the little plus sign. Let's go to a new tab. Get back into the classroom. And this time go to the Google Forms. Whatever your answer was to picture number 1, type it in. Whatever it was to picture number 2, type it in. We know number 3 is going to be 36. After you have all your answers typed in for every picture, go down here to the Submit button and click Submit. It's going to let you know what answers are correct and which answers are not correct. If you have an incorrect answer, well then let's fix it. That's what's so good about these forms. It tells you what you have right or wrong before you turn anything in. So once you know what's wrong, then go back to this page and let's fix it. Okay? After you know what all of the correct answers are, then you can go ahead and rank it. And according to the directions at the top, we have to rank from the greatest volume to the least volume, with 1 being the greatest and 12 being the least. So after you know all the volumes, go ahead and rank it. Make sure to use those Google Forms. You folks also that are asking me questions, just realize I'm not going to be sitting at this computer 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Some of you folks have tried to send me emails on Saturday or Sunday. I'm just now responding to some of those emails, and the only reason I responded to them now is because I had to get on to do this lesson. If you're going to ask me a question and you need an immediate answer, you need to email me that question between 8 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm on this computer from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. If you send me an email question before or after those times, or on Saturday, Sunday, it might be a while before I respond to you. Okay? This is the only assignment you have to do today. Now notice when I zoom back out, all of my numbers stay exactly where they belong. That's one of the good benefits about using Kami. That number 36 is not covering up another picture. All of my numbers are exactly as they appear. When you're done ranking, go ahead and click your Save button. Click your Save Now like we've done in the past. If you have to attach it, but go ahead and put it on the page that tells you to turn in the assignment and then send it to me. This is your only assignment for Monday, April 6th. All right, y'all have a good day. If you have a question, ask, and make sure you get that email sent back to Mrs. Meacham regarding band or art. Have a good day.